In this video, I'm going to show you how to add isometric dimensions. This is a crucial skill for anyone working with isometric drawings. When you create these types of drawings, you might notice that the dimensions you add aren't aligned properly in the isometric view. It's a common issue that can affect the clarity and accuracy of your designs. But don't worry, I'm here to walk you through the process of aligning your dimensions correctly so your drawings maintain their precision and professionalism. First, let's address a problem you may have encountered. In a typical workflow, simply adding dimensions doesn't account for the unique angles and perspectives of an isometric view. This can lead to dimensions that look out of place or are difficult to interpret. Let's tackle this together by making sure those dimensions fit just right. Begin by selecting the dimension in your drawing that you wish to adjust. Make sure you've correctly identified the part of the drawing that needs alignment. Once you've selected the dimension, direct your attention to the command line at the bottom of the Autocad interface. Type in dim edit, which is short for dimension editing, and then press enter. This command allows us to make precise edits to dimensions for perfect isometric alignment. After entering the dim edit command, you'll be prompted with several options. Here, you want to select oblique. The oblique option is your tool for adjusting the angle of your dimensions so they match the isometric perspective of your drawing. This is a critical step because selecting oblique activates the ability to define the angle, ensuring your dimensions are aligned with the isometric projection of your drawing. Once you've selected oblique, use your mouse to choose 2 points on your dimension line. Click carefully to ensure accuracy. These 2 points define the angle or direction in which your dimension needs to be aligned. When you adjust these points, you'll see how the dimension realigns itself to fit properly within the isometric framework of your drawing. It's quite satisfying to see how this simple adjustment brings clarity and correctness to your work. And that's really all there is to it. By following these steps, your drawings will not only be more legible and professional, but they will also clearly convey what you intend to showcase without any confusion. As you become more familiar with this process, repeating it for additional dimensions becomes second nature. Remember, precision is key, so take your time to align each dimension perfectly within your isometric drawings for the best results. If you liked this video, please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.